Welcome to the cooler reports. I'm going to introduce the newest the walk-in box system right here. This one, as you can see, is pretty big and have the frame to secure it. And for the overall sizes, the units will be 19 foot 7 inches for the length. And the width, this unit is about like 7 foot and 9 inches. And the overall tall, this one will be 8 foot and 10 inches for the units. And for the door, as you can see, we have a lockers right here. And the switchers you can mount here. And we'll open the door. Let's take a measurement for the entries. The door units will be 31.5 inches in the length. And the 71 inches in the tall. And as you can see, this door have a security emergency access right here. You can push in if someone get locked inside. And also the heater frames, they will all around this one. They have a screws on it. You can just remove it and you see the heating elements right under it. And this one, in case you open the door, you're not frozen. So let's go ahead to take the inside dimensions. As you can see, the inner side, they have a floor. They are really good stainless steel one, and you won't be fall down right here because they are really good units. And the overall height for the inner side, about 7 feet tall, and the length is will be about like 18 foot and 6 inches entirely. And the units about like 6 foot and 8 inches in the width. So these are overall sizes, and you can mount any like a cooling system on top of it and to see your purpose. And if you do have more questions, please contact with us. Thank you so much.